Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to add a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. So the first step is open your Google Sheets document. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet document open. This is where you will be adding the new spreadsheet. And second step is locate the plus button. At the bottom left of your screen, you'll see a plus button right next to your current sheet tabs. This is what you will click to add a new spreadsheet. And step 3, add the new spreadsheet. Simply click on that plus button and a new sheet will be instantly added to your document. It will be named sheet 2 by default if it's the first additional sheet. Step 4, rename the new spreadsheet. It's optional. If you want to rename it, just double click the tab name, type your desired name and hit enter. And that's it. You have successfully added a new spreadsheet to your Google Sheets document in just a few seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.